Meta says they made you money. Google says they made you money. Your bank account says neither of them did. The problem isn't your ads, it's that the platforms grade their own homework. Stop guessing. Connect Meta, Google, and your CRM directly to your AI with the Model Context Protocol. Stop guessing which dashboard is lying and ask for the truth. It instantly cross-references Meta and Google against your live CRM, strips out the double-counted sales, and shifts your budget to the campaigns actually driving net new revenue. When Google drives cheap clicks that your sales team rejects, your AI catches it. It automatically updates your negative keywords and shifts the saved budget to your highest converting Meta campaigns. Stop paying ad platforms to lie to you. Build an AI that actually guards your profit. Reach out to Lightning Ventures today.